Do you want to know how to use the rest of this year to make it the best of your years? In this Chinese horoscope forecast video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the monkey to reveal what the rest of this year has to offer for them, which months are easy in our unlocking opportunities, but also in which this Chinese zodiac sign has to be a bit more mindful. Because when you know what's coming, you can respond to it in a more successful way, right? So do you know how to use your Bazi Chinese horoscope to make the best for your relationships, personal development, and business development in this second half of the Water Rabbit year? Let's see what's in it for you. So let me show you where to find out how to use the power of your personal Bazi to optimize and achieve your goals. And if you stay until the end, I will give you some special dates for the monkey in the second half of the Water Rabbit year, when to take action for luck and success in 2023. Hi, I'm Sandra, and I have been teaching and consulting Feng Shui, Bazi, as well as meditation and manifesting for over 2 decades now, first in Germany and now in New Zealand and Australia. So in this forecast video, we will have a deeper look into the characteristics of the monkey and what the rest of the year has to offer, which months are easy and which would be a bit more complicated for this animal sign. And for this, we will have a look into the 4 pillars of destiny at the end of the video and what they can mean in relation to your personal development, business development, your relationships in general, and for the monkey specifically. So do you know your personal Bazi, your Chinese horoscope? You may know the animal of the year you were born in, but did you know that you have 3 more animals that are just as important for you in your personal path in life? It's the animal you're born under in the month, the day, and the hour. And depending on where this animal sign sits we're talking about, it can have a totally different meaning for you. Would you like to know more about them? Let me know in the comments if you do. So what is the monkey like in general? Well, to put it in one word, it is intelligent. The monkey is universally perceived as being mischievous, yes. And accordingly, people born in the year of the monkey have that characteristic. Yes, that's right. But they're very intelligent and they are able to influence people. More than this, monkey people also they are so imaginative. And they're so resourceful. They are possessed of a keen intelligence, but however, they have the tendency to be restless and rather superficial, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, okay? So monkey people are enthusiastic achievers, yet they are easily discouraged and confused. You may know that. So their natural flair for cunning ensures that they have the ability to slip out of a tight situation as quick as a flash when they feel threatened. So just better don't corner them. So what is this year for the monkey? The year governor is the water wood rabbit. So the general energies it's about inner development. It's about upskilling, developing your intuition, new beginnings, well-being, harmony and healing. But beware, compromises might be necessary for that. So concentrate on what is important. For the monkey specifically, it appears that the rabbit is so much slower than the tiger was before in 2022. So the monkey may feel that 2023 is slowing them down. But that will probably improve some life qualities for the monkey, even if that might not seem like that in the beginning of the year. Decisions can be made with much more ease in this year. And creativity could be the key for you this year to find your inner balance, because your inner strengths, which pairs nicely with your agile mind, are bringing you success. Stay focused and no shiny object syndrome this year, please. As much as you can, dear monkey, okay? So let's have a look. What are special months for the monkey? Let's have a look at those months to come. Well, the July is the goat month. So small baby steps are better than stagnation, right, monkey? So don't complain that things aren't going fast enough. The double earth goat likes things stable and thorough. Not your thing, I know, Slow down for 1 month and get things right. Compassion and readiness to help others are really important this month. It will pay in the end. August, your month, the monkey month. You love it when everything is full on, but even you should make time to rest now and then. Opportunities on every corner. You need to make decisions to stay sane and not get overwhelmed. Don't overthink. Once the decision is made, go with it. This is your month. Go for it. September is the rooster month, the year breaker. So take a closer look this month before decisions. We are now in yin energy predominantly, so things may be different than you see them. Quick fixes won't last. Go deeper when it is important for you. But the rooster will give you stamina this month. So how about eating healthier or moving more? Want to lose weight? This is the month to get started for you. Stay focused. October, the dog month. So the dog brings some reason into this month. Well, a topic the monkey is not very fond of, naturally. But it is good to have a reality check from time to time. This would be the month for it. You are good at reading people, so that will help you. November, the pig month. The pig month is a lot about communication. Are you sometimes repeating yourself, telling the same stories over and over again? Well, then don't wonder if people are not listening to you anymore. Your communication skills are still great, but maybe this month the water element of the pig may make people less perceptive than usual. And the pig with its yin element makes it also easier to work on your inner topics. When was the last time you meditated? I have some really good dates and times in the bonus section here later on. December, the red month. So we're having a 3 combination with monkey and dragon. The red and the monkey are a really good team. The red will help you to go all in on what is important to you. If you have a great idea this month, follow through on it. Don't overthink it. With the dragon coming up, bringing it to life would work well in the new year. Delegate what you don't like or want to do, so maybe somebody else will even do it better than you, especially when your heart is not in it. January, the ox month. So the very stoic ox will test the monkey's patience one more time before finally the dragon comes in. Aren't you looking forward to that? Finally, an animal that fully understands you. So stay focused this month. Did you make time to find your calling? Listen to your inner voice. Believe in yourself. Do believe in yourself. The dragon will help you get there from next month on. Maybe you can already feel it coming up. And although February is already the next year, just a little outlook for you, the tiger is your clutch month, the February. So a change might be on the card and may already be palpable on the horizon. Don't panic. A change will happen. You are the one to decide what to change, when to change, and how to prepare for it. So again, if you're prepared, it won't be as drastic. That's why I gave you the February already now. But the thing is, do you have to wait for that perfect month to activate the good combinations? Well, the effects may be stronger if it is contained in the year or the month. Yes, but we also have the day animal and even down to the hour if you want to go down that road. So let's have a look at some special dates for the monkey to go even deeper. July, the goat month. So the goat builds a 3 combination with the rabbit and the pig. So we're looking at the pig days, 16th and 28th. They're stable days, so a good day for planning long-term effects. No quick fixes, please. The 16th is excellent with the edging of advancement. Brilliant hours from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Very good meditation energy with the mountain edging. On the 28th, also excellent with the edging of delight and good hours from 11 to 1 p.m. August, the monkey month. You have a combined with a snake. The snake days are on the 15th and 27th. That will also give you the fire that is missing in this month for you. Both are receive days, so reap what you sow. But be aware that also means you have to put in the seeds for the receiving before, at some point. No work, no harvest. The 15th has an I Ching of waiting. So waiting for the outcome of what you have prepared before, right? And on the 15th, we have good times from 9 to 11 a.m. 27th is taking care of details. Good times are from 9 to 1 p.m. And you could also, if you wanted, use the Horus days in August for the fire, to receive the fire, which are 16th and 28th, which are open days, good for sharing things with others. What to share? I don't know, but you will probably. September, the rooster month. You could use your own days, monkey days, which are closed days. You can use them for self-reflection and bringing closure. The 11th, you could face some obstacles from bringing things in order, but it might be worth it. On the 23rd is also about closure, interestingly, so stay focused. Good times on the 23rd are from 9 to 11 a.m. and 3 to 5 p.m. October, dog month. Sorry, I don't have any specifically good dates for you here, but it shouldn't be a bad month. November, pig month. We're having a combination with the rabbit, which is for all of us auspicious. So we're looking for the goat days. The 9th, 21st, and December 3 are success days. It's good for enjoying the fruit of your effort, which you have put in before, you remember? On the 9th, it is from 3 to 5 p.m. On the 21st, it's from 5 to 7 a.m. and from 9 to 11 a.m., an early bird day. And on the 3rd of December, it's from 9 to 11 a.m. and 3 to 5 p.m. December, the red month. So there's a 3 combined waiting for you, dear monkey, together with the dragon. So if you are a monkey, look for the dragon days. On the 12th and the 24th, they are stable days. Good days for planning with long-term effects. Remember? The 12th, it's from 9 to 1 p.m., really good hours. And on the 24th, is from 3 to 7 p.m. Use them. January, the ox month. Sorry, no helpful dates, I'm afraid, but definitely stay focused and prepare for the new year, governor, to come. So where do you have the monkey in your personal Bazi? Which pillar? Just to remind you, the year pillar stands for the social aspect of your life and how you behave among friends, acquaintances, and your luck with them in general. The month pillar is representing your career, the industries where you might find the most opportunities, your ability to provide value, and how you would do your job best. The day pillar is about who you are on a fundamental level, your inner nature and what makes you unique, as well as representing your love life, self palace and spouse palace. The hour pillar is representing your thoughts, ambitions, and goals in life, as well as the aspects of children, investment, and employees. So, depending on where your monkey sits in your Bazi, this is the area to take action. Clash, combination, job, career, relationship, business, investment. And you also know where the best days and months are to take that action. Looking out for combinations and clashes as well to find luck and success in 2023. So now that you know all that, what is the one thing you can do now or plan for the dates I gave you to bring you forward? One thing to prepare your path. Doesn't have to be a massive effort. Sometimes small baby steps are preparing the path with much more ease than a huge step, and you are overwhelmed by the sudden changes and come to a complete stop. We don't want that. So, and you also know now that you have 4 animals that define your possibilities and opportunities in relationship, personal development, business development, and so much more for the rest of the Water Rabbit year. And all of those 4 animals can help you to change your course So stay tuned for more insight and forecasts about the other animals of the Chinese zodiac here on this channel, and hearing what to emphasize in the last month of this water rabbit year to optimize and achieve your goals. Because next year is going to be a wood dragon year, which will be a totally different game. Some of us are looking for it, some not so much. And if you want to know what to do best in this month, well, have a look at my monthly The Power of Bazi monthly forecast series, also here on this channel. You could also subscribe to my channel, of course, and you won't miss any of my videos then. So, have a fabulous time, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.